are available. I don't know why you were in invisible mode till now,
Okay, finally.
or is it? Yeah. Anyways, so Manoj, what's the agenda? What's the plan today to plan
Yeah,
out the learning activities?
actually,
Actually, yeah, I
yeah,
think
please go on.
I asked Manoj to have this discussion, Yogesh, and we wanted to just a warm-up call to talk about how we want to start our sessions and any structure or planned format, uh, so that later point of time, let's say if we have to revisit our own discussions or refer to some material, or maybe if somebody has missed and he wants to check the recordings, he can go, and the other materials as well, he can come back and
Mhm.
revisit. So I was thinking, I think Manoj is excellent in managing the documents and all, right? I think he can
No doubt,
suggest.
no doubt.
Yeah, I mean, he has been our lifeline for the entire bits
Yes,
program, right?
true, true, very true.
Yeah. So I was thinking if we can create some small document which we can refer to during our
Mhm.
session, and we can maintain that wherever Manoj suggests.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then we can, as Manoj has been doing, right, we can record our sessions topic wise and create some playlist in YouTube, which we can upload and revisit. For example, some playlist will be there for deep learning, some for cloud-based technology, and likewise.
Yeah, and I think we also need to help him because I mean he is already doing,
Definitely.
but yeah, we have
Yes.
to help him also. True,
Yeah.
true.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even
Yeah,
I was thinking like Manoj already shared the list of I think I see the 10 topics there in the teach group with the POCs. So I think yes, we have to plan a schedule like who is going to take which topic and what is the tentative schedule. So
Yeah.
that people will know and accordingly they can also plan their activities and join the session, right? That
yeah, Yogesh, yeah, that's a nice one. And actually, I wish to thank you everyone for this nice, what is a meetup, okay, and pushing us together. No, it's a really nice one. One thing I would
yeah.
like to add is like if you can have your own YouTube channel, no, then you will get an idea of how many people are liking and no how is your efforts. You will be getting the credit for that actually. So what is happening now is I am uploading your content into my this one and people are subscribing. Even if I didn't ask anyone, people subscribed 150. I think 150 people are subscribed, but I'm not
Nice.
looking into subscription or something. Yeah, just a repository. I'm just maintaining a repository. That's what the plan was. But then I feel that if you guys anyone like to have their own YouTube channel, then I can put that link of your channel in the blog and say this topic for you and something like that we can manage and you will be getting some feedbacks from the people also, right? In that way, what do you think? I mean, I don't have a problem in uploading to this one, but I think you should get the credit for what you are doing, right? What do you think?
I think
Yeah, I
Manoj,
mean,
it's fine. Yeah. See, I think
yeah,
if people want to upload to their personal channel, they can use same video. We don't have, like, we are not doing it for some
true.
building YouTube channel, but I mean, we think like we are group of some community who wants to learn,
Yeah,
share thoughts, share the experiences, right? So it's fine. I mean, we can upload in your channel and it will be one single
Yeah.
repository, right? It will not be spread out. We all can subscribe to one channel. We know that this our talks are, right?
mm-hmm.
True, true. And you have a space, no constraint, right? Just
YouTube doesn't have the
about
space limitation actually. That's why I moved to YouTube
YouTube doesn't
initially.
have,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
then I think it's a good idea to have everything in one place. Manoj, we are
Mm-hmm.
fine
Okay.
because people who are subscribed, right, they will get everything at one place only. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
apart from whoever is the person taking session optional, he can also upload his own. But I think it's a good idea to keep on your YouTube also.
Yeah, so what I thought maybe like
And
I will also upload, but people can also upload to their own. I will keep it as a private
yeah,
if others are uploading. Otherwise, I'll keep it as a public one. That's okay. Because I just want to
yeah,
archive whatever we did. That was a basic reason why we started the. Anyway, it's up to you. If you like to keep it here, that's fine. And documents,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
doesn't take much space, so we can do it just like what we did
Or
for
Manoj,
the.
if you want like a common channel for our group, some fancy name, bits. I mean, whatever you guys think, we can make that.
Yeah, yeah,
And
Alumni our batching, maybe some kind of.
okay. Yeah, you can
yeah,
Yeah,
come
and I
up with.
think, yeah, you have your blog also, right? You can add it there because it's a single point of thing, like where we can get all the study material. And
Yeah,
you have been managing it very, very well.
blog is completely fine. That I created for everyone only, so that's fine. Only the YouTube, I thought maybe if anyone likes to have their own channel, then it is good also. They will get the feedback from people. Maybe I don't know if people are interested in that or not. That's
No, no,
one thing.
it's.
It's fine.
Mhm.
If we will do it in this way. But the other thing, one concern I have is I am engaged from Monday to Friday 8 to 8:30. Wednesdays even 7 to 10. I am engaged with some other
You are
training.
talking about in IST time, right?
Yeah,
Now,
IST. Yeah,
your
yeah,
local.
yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
this time I cannot record actually because I won't be available. Uh, so
Okay, okay.
so.
Then let's do one thing, na?
Hmm.
Probably in this case, who is taking session, right?
Hmm.
They can record also if possible.
I
Yeah, yeah.
think
Say example,
Yogesh, we can do YouTube
yeah.
live session. No, let's say if you have YouTube channel, we can go to YouTube live session itself. So no need to
That's
record.
that's a
Directly we can go
problem,
into YouTube.
Ranjan. That's a problem because for live and all we need
Okay.
1,000 subscribers. I think.
Ah, okay.
But what's the point in YouTube live then? Yeah, it will be automatic. That's why you think it will be automatically recorded or something? Or?
Yeah, you don't have to record. Just go live and just how
Okay.
we are discussing now, right?
Hmm.
Entire conversation will be there uploaded, so you don't have to worry about it, uploading and all.
Hmm.
Done there itself.
I don't know about the process. We have to check. Otherwise, maybe I will take one topic and responsibility to record it, and then I will share with Manoj so he can upload in just one place. Similarly, others can also do when Manoj is not available.
Like Monday, Tuesday, then Thursday, Friday, I can do 7 to 8. 8 o'clock, I will be having some other training, so I need to leave. So if, but
No, I think then whoever is taking session now,
Mhm.
that person, if he records, I think that will be easy. What do you think, Ravi?
Yeah, that will ease out the Manoj burden as well, right?
Correct.
Otherwise, Manoj has to upload every single session, so it will
Correct.
increase his unwanted work. So yeah, and if every person start uploading their own videos, then it becomes easy for Manoj.
And we can also we already have a POC, right, for each topic in that chat he mentioned. I think that there are 10 topics. So let everyone, the POC, take the responsibility of recording, Manoj. It will be easy. And you will be the then final POC who can get the recording. I mean, then you can just put it in your channel there that everyone can access there.
Okay. Yeah, but
So people don't have to go make multiple channels for topic wise. So they will just check your channel. They will get everything, and the POC for each topic they will just offline check with you and share the details so you can upload it in your YouTube channel.
yeah, that will do. But yeah, if the person who is taking the session, if they are comfortable with the recording, then it's fine.
Yeah. Otherwise, we have if the person is not comfortable for some reason, then we have to find someone in that batch or somebody who can do that because we don't want to miss that
Yeah,
way.
that's my point.
People
Also,
who want to attend and yeah.
People are taking so much effort, then I don't want to miss anything. So like 8, maybe most people will be taking from 8 to 10:30, something in between, and I will be missing all of them. So that's one.
Yeah, for me, no,
Mm.
Databricks, I was conveying that in that group. There is another group, right, for the Databricks.
Yeah.
So 2 days I'm planning actually, but only 1.5 hours because I don't want to. I was thinking like not to burden like long hours, and 2 days in a week would give people some time in between so they can revise the discussion, whatever has happened, and also prepare what is to be discussed in the next session.
Right.
And also, I want to go very slow, like to talk about Spark basics, and then once Spark is done, then start on the Databricks. That won't take much time, but to get the clear on the Spark. Ultimately, targeting to towards the certification, no? Databricks data engineer.
Right. Yeah. That's the ultimate. We need to. That's actually the goal. So we have a clear goal on this one actually.
Correct. Databricks wise, I'm clear on that. I mean, I also welcome anybody who would like to join. You can take the session. That is always good, so we can plan. Yeah.
Right. So Ravi, you were
So
one, but
so I think what I'm thinking, no, Manoj, we can in the teams we can create one channel like this for each topic, and see we can have one common channel where
But
we
I
can
think
create.
Teams will not last long for us, no, Yogesh. It will, therefore, I think
But
still
personal,
we have this
but personal also we can use, right? What do you think?
personal
personal.
1 hour.
I have never tried.
Yeah, I mean, if you log in with your personal email, then we can subscribe there also, right? I guess because we don't want to dependent on like Beats ID. We don't know how long it will
Yeah,
be valid.
yeah.
So yeah, it's good point. Probably we can use our personal email.
I
So
think
maybe I can.
Google Meet, if we use, because everybody will have Gmail, there we
Mhm.
have recording option. We don't need third party tool. With
No,
Google Meet, itself we can
no,
record.
not Ravi. There's no
No,
recording for the
they don't.
free ones.
Yeah, yeah, free
No,
one.
no,
It's
Google
not
Meet.
available.
I mean, that's what I'm going to say. Google Meet, we can. I think if you use free one, I think there's time limitation also there.
Yeah, time
We
limit is
can.
also there, Ravi. We tried that one.
Mm. So
That
what I
didn't
was
work
thinking.
actually.
Yeah. So what I was thinking, no, Manoj, we will create one. Let's say Gmail ID will buy one paid subscription. I don't know. It won't charge much, right? And if we all contribute, and then with same Google ID, we can even create our. If let's say if we have a common YouTube channel, so anyone who is and we can share credentials with all of us who are taking session. So anyone who is taking session, he can record, upload, then and there, done.
You
That's
mean
what I
for the
was thinking.
recording purpose, we can use some paid service. That's what the point.
Yeah, for Google Meet itself,
Mm.
we'll buy its subscription.
I
I
am
don't
I
know
am
how much
fine,
it is.
but I am also fine. Anything, but since Teams is familiar, I was thinking that we can use. But if we have some other option, better one, I'm also open. Yeah, because the plan was like what I'm thinking. We have to have a common schedule sheet where we have a like topic, the POC, the session, like when we are taking, right. Example, twice in a week, say Wednesday this time and
Yeah.
Saturday this time, and then we will have a separate sheets in there for each topic wise. So the POC, he will keep that up to date, like in each which session, which topics he covered and which session he's planning, like that. That will be easy, right? And also the recording also. When the recording is complete, probably we can update the recording link there as well.
I'm just
Okay.
sharing in chat the pricing of Google Meet. Just have a look.
You're sharing? Okay.
As I can't share my screen, I think I've logged in from my company ID. So if you see this image which I've shared, they have business starter package, which is around 136, 37 maybe per month. They are giving 100 participant for video meet, 30 GB of storage per user. So those two things we are looking for, right? So we can 100 people can join. I don't think so. We'll have more than 100 people, and 30 GB should be enough, right? Because we'll be storing and uploading in YouTube and then deleting it, right? Then there's a business standard version also, which is 700. We have 150 participant and 2 terabytes, and like it keeps increasing. So I think 136 per month is fair enough, right?
136, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
not
I
much.
think it's
136.
very
Yes,
comfortable, right? Yeah. But does it
yeah.
automatically go to the Google Drive, the recording, or what?
I think so. It should go to your whatever Gmail ID you buy with that, right? I think that should go to that. They're giving 30 GB storage pool also and 100
Yeah, storage we
participants.
will be getting on Google Drive only. So
Yeah.
yes,
That's what I'm
I think
saying. If we create one common Gmail ID, right, and we buy subscription with that, and we can share the ID with everyone who is taking session, then they can upload and record. Everything can be done. And same with same ID, we can create a YouTube channel also. Then it goes to YouTube as well. And then Manoj, whenever you are free, you can download those videos and put in your YouTube channel as well. So
If you have one
yeah,
proper YouTube channel, then that will be enough. Yeah, because it was not there, that's why I created this one.
yeah. So we can create one, I think, ID if that's
Actually,
everyone is
I
okay.
created one for the peer meet. One email ID I already have actually.
Okay. Yeah,
Uh,
you of Gmail of Google?
yeah, Google.
Then
DS
we
peer
can
meet. Yeah,
reuse.
yeah.
Yeah, we can reuse them.
Mm-hmm.
I think you have to commit for 1 year subscription. That's what it says.
Mm-hmm.
So 136, 137, I think it is into 12.
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Yeah.
and that we can
And-
divide within us.
But
We can
see,
divide
one
this.
thing, Ravi, is like maybe you and Yogesh may be there for taking the sessions finally. We don't know other people will be how much committed they are, and after like 3-4 months after the project is done, will there be any meets and all? No, so that we need.
I think
to,
what we
yeah.
you're right, Manoj. That's
Yeah.
that's valid point. I think we will take for 1 year and we'll see how it goes. I think I am looking for maybe a community which is interested in sharing knowledge and learning, and we can learn and we can share our experiences.
Right.
And I think we will get some like-minded people. Yeah, you're right. Majority may not be able to join. They might get distracted or engage with something else, but we will still have, I think, some good folks.
Yeah, 5 people are
And
enough actually.
yeah, and I think we can add people from outside bits also, not limited to bits, who are interested to learn and contribute.
Yeah, right.
I don't think so any problem with that.
Yeah. Actually,
And
you have a good
and
point.
believe
actually.
me, and believe me, when we will be working as data engineer or data scientist, that time we will require more support from us. Actually, I
Yeah,
wanted to
yeah.
say, I don't know if you understood or not, but because we will be starting our new role. So in that role, it's good if we get our we can solve problem within us. So it's a very good idea, Yogesh. I just wanted to say that.
Yeah. It's Ravi's idea. Yeah, I'm fine, Ravi. Yeah? I mean, we can go for 1 year.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And
Then this
yeah, I mean,
headache of recording
probably
is over, right?
what I'm thinking, probably people like a group of 3 or 5, we can like who can take care of that admin thing, like subscription and all others. Instead of putting on one person, probably a group of 3 or 4 people can do this thing, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that would be good.
Right.
Yeah.
We don't have to share like the credentials with everyone. It is not required.
Yeah. I think not wrong, in YouTube they give you admin and edit credential as well. I think there should be some option like that. I don't know. I have to check. If that's there, then I think we can give edit to a couple of guys who can add the videos.
Yeah. And we can do some polling in that group. So whoever wants to contribute like that. Yeah.
Right. That's good though.
Yeah, it's a good idea. So to one place, and I don't think it's like a big amount.
Yeah, not at all.
Right.
I think it's a I would say it's a cheaper one. That much we can easily invest for learning.
Yeah. It won't cost more than 100 to each of us, like 100, 150. So
Yeah,
In a year. Yeah.
they're completely
So
fine.
shall we create a spreadsheet something now, or what do you think? Like a topic wise?
Yogesh. Then what we will do is once we create a spreadsheet, Google Sheet. If it's a Google Sheet, then I can put it in the blog also as a as a frame where you can see this, or I can make it like a table from take details from there and put it in the table. and there will be some edit options where only the people who have the admin access can go and edit it, right?
Mhm.
Or what is the other plan?
Yeah, we can.
Manoj, you have any blog or something you said, right?
No, blog we have, no?
So can you publish the plan there itself, and we can keep adding over there itself?
Yeah. So that's what Yogesh was saying. There's one Google Sheet, right? So that's what I was saying. Google Sheet.
Okay.
If it is a Google
Can
Sheet,
I
then
can I share my screen?
yeah, sure.
Maybe we can start something on
Yeah.
this one.
Right.
Yeah.
Something. See, this is my personal Teams. Just quickly check. This is not personal. So yeah, here. So it's that says, see, this is my personal one. Okay.
Okay.
Gmail ID. Says some community and all, but I don't see the channel option here.
Hmm.
Shall we check?
It's
Yeah, I can
free.
try, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
free only. I mean, just we'll start, but anyway, we'll go with that also. But now, so bits.
Study group.
Shall we put like this something?
Yeah, anything.
Yeah.
Batch 8 or what?
Yeah, we can update it later also. I'm just trying to see if we can get all the options. Require approval to join. I think let's not keep that option. We can change. If you can create some channel and file there.
Can you create an event? See if event you can create some call meeting something.
Yeah.
Channel.
Create an
Now you
event
can
also.
create it.
Channel is there. Yeah, channel with Teams channel we create, no? Channel name.
Let's say Databricks.
Hmm. Up to 5 channel per community. You can have 5 channels. Saying.
Oh, here 5 channel only, right?
Hmm.
Then we have to
you
have
to
2 communities there.
Yeah, we will create multiple community like C1, C2. We can go like that. Freewares,
Like
so
just
we have to
contain
manage
something.
something.
Just putting something, okay, we can change
Yeah.
ideas later on.
Yes,
too.
yes.
So I'm just creating one channel just for learning. Now his channel, generally we can get, right, in Teams we see the channel here, right, on the left hand side.
Maybe
And
that's
then in
not
that we
paid
can
one.
have
Maybe
option.
that's
Right. Try to share and then let's
So Yogesh, see if you can create an event, like a meeting or something. You see events.
Let me check. Create an event.
Yeah.
Create an event.
So that's if there's this we can do, then we can use this itself.
Yeah, we can
see,
we
it's
can.
there,
It
huh?
looks like.
But is there any limitation of like how
Yeah,
much time
60
we can
minutes. 60 minutes for 100 200 participants.
Good. No, I think this is fine.
Yeah, this is also
So we-
fine. I'm just.
So-
I was trying to see. Normally in Teams we get that option, right? Where we can maintain our files also.
I
That's
think
what I was
for
looking
that
for.
I think they might
Acha, okay,
paid
okay,
one.
understood.
Because they
That-
will ask you to use OneDrive and all, right? So for that they will ask
Mhm.
you to pay some money. I don't know if they have
Yeah.
recording option also for us. Like if you create an event, can we record that? I don't know.
Yeah, it's a paid one, no?
Uh,
Can we check the payment?
oh,
for
this is
one?
personal. So,
Mm.
oh, this one. I don't know. With this option is there.
Teams.
If you try to create an event, Yogesh, and you start the event,
Okay.
let's say now, and see if you have recording option. Let's say you create an event, dummy event, and just
Okay.
schedule for the current time. It's right now it is 16:30, right, for your time. So
Now,
maybe you can put something for
Yeah.
16:30.
yeah, probably 4:30. Now it's 4:30 only, right? So
Yes.
yeah, 30 minutes. Where I can add the participants option.
I think just send it. I think don't try to participant. Just send it and then try to
Okay.
start it and then see if you can record
Creating
it.
an
Because
I can okay, copy but
copy
fine.
link, share link, and
So event is created. Okay. So
yeah, click on
join.
join.
Yeah. Open. Okay, fine. Let's see. Okay. I'll just note now that.
You have recording options more. It's disabled.
Disable.
Hmm. That's a problem. Yeah, this won't come in a free version.
Yeah, free version they want.
Even the one I was expecting, right? I mean, to manage all the files and everything. Because in Teams, generally we get right options
Hmm.
No,
to make the
so Yogesh, we
files.
want because that requires
I
storage.
think
Storage.
Google Meet is good idea because I think 30 GB is good amount of space.
Good, good, good.
Yeah, yeah. I
You
Hardly,
think
can
Yeah,
hardly one
yes,
hour,
Want to
yes.
add?
1 hour,
see the
one
point.
hour recording
Can
will be
somebody
around.
The
I
point
think
Yogesh
can
was
somebody also try?
the point Yogesh was saying is in the teams we have a good this posting of things, no, like all the documents in one place, whereas in the Meet we don't have that. That's the point I think Yogesh was trying to explain, right?
Yeah, yeah. Because see here, no, here we can see, right?
yes, yes. I know,
See
Yogesh,
Teams,
that we
and see
use.
Teams. Yeah. Now for this, no
Yogesh,
example, we can have option, right?
can
Files.
I think the recording options are available only more than one people. Like we have two people at least in the meeting.
No, it's a paid one.
Okay.
Can we try that? Like
No,
somebody else.
but I'm not seeing this kind of options. I was looking for these options, like like
Okay.
files, and we can. That way we can do some more use, right? These features.
These files and all we have to manage in Google Drive for our Google Meet. If we are going with Google Meet, then
So
see.
now we
I
created, now
think
see for our group, we created this kind of a sheet like that.
Yogesh, you can use Teams also. I'm sending the Teams pricing. Just check that it's almost as competitive as Google pricing wise. So yeah, we can try Teams as well. We have
Teams.
110. I've shared in
Okay.
chat. Just check that image. No,
Okay.
I've shared in chat.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just open it.
yeah, that is also similar.
Almost
Only
similar.
10 GB only we are getting over here.
Hmm.
Ah, okay.
10 GB, but 300 participants. The number of participants is quite huge. 300.
Here, to be very frank, I'm not much, expecting much participants here, not more
Yeah.
than 30.
But one drawback is there is that they have say unlimited group meetings up to 30 hours. So let's say in a month you can't go beyond 30 hours. That's what it's saying.
Ah, yes.
Is it
That's
So maybe
that one? Oh, no, no. I think what is unlimited then?
means you can have unlimited number of meetings, but duration should not exceed 30 hours of the entire meeting.
exactly.
Yeah.
That
Total
may
30
not
hours in a
be.
month.
Yeah, that's not a
Yeah,
good
this will
one.
not. This will limit us.
Yes, yes.
Because see, even if we take a session, right, it will go for 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours.
Yeah,
Let's say if
1.5
you're having
hours
3 hour
compulsory it will.
session, let's say if we have 3 hours, I think 3 hours is the maximum we can have, let's say one session, and like that we can have 10 sessions. Still, it's good one. I think we will not be doing, I think, 10 sessions in a
No,
month
no.
for 3
But if you
hours.
see, no, Ravi, see the Databricks
Yeah.
part, right? I'm planning 2 sessions in a week. In a week, I'm planning 3 hours, example, right? 1.5 for each day. So
Okay.
in a month, it would be 3 into 4. So 12 to 15 hours. It's only for the Databricks topic I will be consuming, right? But now we have another 7 to 8 more topics are there.
But Yogesh, I was thinking we will not be able to do so many meets, no, in a month. It will be very exhaustive.
No, no. See,
Because
I think this is a wrong idea. See, unlimited group meetings up to 30 hours means continuously 30 hours. Otherwise, our personal team, no, it is 1 hour. No, after 1 hour we can again log in there. So how many hours we can use in the personal? Then this is wrong. I think this is what they mentioned is continuous meeting of 30 hours.
okay.
Because if
Okay.
you see the other two also, they mentioned everything offered in the MS Teams Essentials Plus, right? So here what?
Oh, see here, everything is there option.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So that plus this one. So this
And-
is 30 hours is continuous one. We don't need. We need only 3 hours continuous, right? So this is
And
completely
anyways,
okay.
I mean, anyways, we can use our normal also, right? 1 hour thing also
Yeah, I
to
mean,
connect
this
also. I
30
think
hours
it should
thing
be
is
okay.
continuous. You can use n number of hours per month, but continuously you can use only 30. That's what I understand.
Yeah, I mean, see, if I use my personal email, right, and create a invite, and if I take the session, it will be 1 hour limitation, right?
And again, you can
So it should be
restart that.
fine. Exactly. We can use the same link. We can ask the participant to again join the same link. So I think we should be okay over here. This 30-hour
Okay.
limit is also fine. I mean, if someone is using this account, then I think it has the 30 hours. But maybe I
Uh,
can use my account or the Databricks part,
no, what I am trying
right?
to say is something different. Did anyone understand what I was trying to say?
No,
Yeah,
you're
Manoj.
saying continuous 30 hours is the limit, right?
Yeah, it cannot be like 30 hours per month. It's not mentioned there. 30 hours per
Probably.
month. Unlimited is what?
I
Probably,
Unlimited
or
group
probably we
meeting.
can start with this. We
Mm.
can start with this for a month or two. And if we think this is enough, we will continue. If we think it is not enough for some reason, that time we will discuss and see
It's
whether we
mentioned
need to
there
upgrade
annual
yeah.
like that.
subscription. Okay.
Yogesh, I have one question. I don't know if we are able to create something like what you are showing, right? Because if you scroll down,
If you
maybe
see here, you see here
yeah.
whiteboard.
Can you scroll down? Okay, this is image now. Let me share the link itself.
Yeah, yeah.
Put the link.
I'm just
Yeah,
thinking whether we
I put
can
the link,
have.
Yogesh. If you can.
Oh, okay, link is there. Okay.
I put that in chat. Yeah.
I have just opened it. I think you
Okay.
can all see my screen.
So if you scroll down, the second plan has 360 apps
Oh,
and
this is.
services. See,
I think
OneDrive.
this is good one.
Yeah, but that is not available with the first one.
Correct, correct. I was thinking the
No,
same.
see, first one already they mentioned 10 GB of cloud storage is mentioned there. Usually OneDrive is 5 GB. Here you get 10 GB.
Yeah, I think the second plan looks better because of these things. We have. Okay,
But
I'm
yes,
fine. I'm fine with this also. I mean,
No, so but how many people can use this one? Second plan. Only maybe
yeah,
one
see,
or two devices you can install. No more than that you cannot install, right?
it's okay. Okay.
it doesn't say the device limitation, no, Manoj.
Sorry.
It doesn't says device limitation.
Sure.
But
Because many
I'm just
might.
thinking, how do all use this plan? Suppose we take this one, right? We will only have one account, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. No, you cannot
So
install on
whoever
all
is
the
taking
devices.
that, you can install but not log in. Let's say you have installed, and whoever is taking session, he should have credential to log in, and he will log in with this account, create an event, share the event. Other can join the event with their own email address also, not a problem. So only the organizer has to log in with the team's email ID and
Yeah,
Right.
record.
I'm
So
only thinking.
that's
Yeah.
the 365. No, you are talking about the app, right? I was talking about the app actually, not the Teams.
See, I'm only thinking if we get this kind of things, right? Like say we can create a teams, like we can create one group, right? And then we can add the files, whatever we are discussing. Maybe we can create a folder here and put the files under that. Also, we can create the other links, something like this,
I think
some schedule, the sheet,
yeah, I
and then
think yes,
everyone
but
who
I think MS Team is free with personal, right? With a Hotmail or e account. Not sure, maybe, but not sure
no,
the
I'm just
storage.
trying the personal. I'm trying this personal.
Free one
Not
doesn't have
this.
many things, Sachin.
Yeah.
It's have a lot.
Okay.
I don't think so. You can even record with free one.
Yeah, recording also fine, I guess. We can do separately, but at least we need to upload this one, right? See, this is personal one. Yeah, this is my personal one. And if I see, I don't see any option of like a Teams here. There's a community, but I don't see any option to manage and maintain the files and all. This is personal one and free one.
No, our main issue is with the recording thing, and the Teams will be allowing recording is mentioned there, right? Or what?
For that one,
Is it somewhere mentioned
No,
about the
Zoom
recordings?
Zoom we can go up to 30 minutes, right? And then we upload in a YouTube like that.
Team
30
recordings
minutes is
with the
free.
dance. Okay, only the second one we have the recording. The first one we don't have.
yeah.
That's the catch. Okay, so we have to pay monthly 470. Which do you think really is valuable or what?
No, I have suggestion, Manoj. So Zoom with Zoom now we can go with the 30-minute session. So we can two participants can set up a two session 30 minutes, and then we can try to upload that on YouTube then.
No, in the Zoom also there is no recording. No.
Zoom the recording is there, right? It's free.
No,
I
free one there
think
is no
we are
recording.
okay with recording, no?
Huh?
We are okay with recording, right? Suppose for one topic, if I am taking a session example, right? I will send an invite, and then others can join with the personal email ID, and then after 1 hour it will be off, right? Then we can rejoin another 1 hour. And when the session is finished, whatever recording I have done, I can just share with Manoj, as well as I just want some common place to upload. The recording was also, I think we are fine.
So Yogesh, you are saying regarding which one? This Teams one or some other?
Teams one. See, just suppose we don't have anything now, right? We don't have anything now. Suppose tomorrow, if I have to start this Databricks part, right? What I will do, I will. Okay, this is my personal one. Okay, what I'll do, I will create this personal invite. Right? I will create this personal invite from my personal ID, right? And then this will only last for 60 minutes, correct? We can reuse the same for the second hour.
Yeah, but
So
the recording is.
okay.
I mean, the recording is the catch here, right? That's why we were thinking about the.
Yeah,
Google
recording.
Meet, right?
Yeah, recording is not there. For recording, I think we can use some other third-party tool also.
Then there is no issue. But see, currently we are having the bits one, which is unlimited. Then we can use the bits one for the next 6 months, if that's okay, or I don't know. You mean the data will be lost or something?
I don't know how long. We can create a team channel here. Like and we can maintain over here also.
I think it will overhead for us. But let's say later something changes, we have to move everything some other place.
Move everything again.
So instead of doing that, it's better we create something separate from bits. I have shared the Zoom plan also. If you guys want to check.
Okay.
Yeah. How is the Zoom?
Yeah,
Teams seems costly. Okay. I think the Teams one is too costly.
Google one is
the Zooms.
cheapest one is Zoom. I think it's cheaper, but I think storage wise, Google is giving more storage in Google Meet.
But we don't need storage. No, we can upload to YouTube. No need of storage, right? Only the some documents we can put in the drive also.
Yes.
For me, it's showing in this currency.
Free basic 100 attendees.
You are UK or Europe?
Europe.
Okay, I've sent a screenshot also, Yogesh, if you want to open.
Yeah.
I have the link. That will show in INR.
Okay. For this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a suggestion. We have PPT in that, we can record with the voice also, right?
Correct. Yeah. In PowerPoint we can do. You're right.
Okay.
Yeah, but
here
again,
they're
that's
saying
good.
Pro is
Again,
14,000.
PowerPoint we need to record and then put it somewhere, right?
Download. Yeah, we can download that video also from PowerPoint and we can upload it on YouTube.
Yes, that also we can do. In fact, in many Windows, you have Windows. If you press Windows G, it has a recording option. by
Yeah,
default.
let's
But the voice
Correct.
is not
Then I think we are
recorded.
going back to the third party something, right? I mean, the separate
yeah.
tool for recording, correct?
Mm.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I think we are good. No, see what we can do then. What I would say, the best way we can create one Gmail account. Okay. If we want, we can take some additional storage. It's not even costly.
Yeah.
We can create one Google Drive there, right? And then we can maintain everything over there. And then access we can give to individual who is, who wants access. Now it's individual POC who is going to take session. That's his responsibility or her responsibility. Record and then upload the recording to that Google Drive. And for
Yogesh, I have
recording,
a point here. So we need two
yeah,
things, na? One to store files and one to store videos. So
See,
we have
uh-huh.
YouTube, no? To store videos.
Videos will use YouTube, Loknath.
Uh,
Best
and
place to
files,
store videos.
yeah. And for
Files,
files, we have Google account which is of 15 GB of free.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I don't think
yeah.
we'll be exceeding 15 GB of files. So we have everything
Google,
free, na?
yeah.
Gmail, yeah.
Everything free.
The Gmail
Yeah,
account
yeah.
with the request
Even if you
maybe.
want, right? Even if you want, we can like increase in that case.
Yeah,
If we
that's okay. But
require,
15 GB is more than sufficient, na? For storing files.
yeah, it should be fine also.
And if we want,
Because
we
only
can
we are maintaining the files.
we can figure out how this goes in the next few months, and we can take action based upon it. Yeah.
Storage. See, I already purchased like get more storage. I already purchased till 200 GB. But the plans are like this. Oh, again, this is showing different currency.
yeah, I have 100 GB actually plan.
Yeah, I mean, if required, you can increase. So I have currently this plan. So 30 euros per year for me. So this is my current plan. 200 GB is too much also. But as Ravi or Logarathm say, right? We'll go with 15 GB, and if required, we can upgrade that time.
No, we don't need that much storage. That's
And
what
then
I was
we will
thinking.
use this Google account as a common account where
Yeah, our issue is actually recording of
yeah,
the
then
session.
we can
That's
just create
all,
one
that's
Google
the,
account
that's
and
the
just
most,
use that Google's drive to keep our all documents. Recording the YouTube then. I think then we are good, no? There.
recording
recording
is the only
anyways we
issue,
will be
Yogesh. That's why we were thinking about the Google Meet, which is the cheapest option. But it won't have the channel. It whatever you put it in the chat, it will go away
channel.
after the Meet. That's the only issue with. Otherwise, we have to use the Google Meet for the Meet, and for the chat Teams we can use personal Teams. In that way, we can have the access to existing whatever is
Yeah.
people are posting, right?
Yeah.
Maybe Debbie, what do you think?
I mean, I'm fine with Google Meet or other paid also.
Because
I think
Any
all
other
those all are good.
suggestions?
only issue because in the
Options.
Google Meet we cannot. I think it will be automatically recorded and put it into the Google Drive. Then we can put it into the YouTube. But
Yeah,
whereas
yeah.
in the third-party tool, then somebody has to record it, and then even the Windows recorder, I think it will work only for 30 minutes, not more than that. Again, we have to. There will be different multiple files up. So
Yeah.
that will not work. PowerPoint, I don't know what's the limit. Again, you have to download, then upload to somewhere, right? YouTube again. Yeah,
The
that's
best is that we promote our YouTube channel and get 1,000 subscribers.
yeah, live. Then we that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, this sounds good. We can create a new Google account, right? And in there we
I
can
think
put all the
Manoj mentioned he has already created one Google account
Yeah, I already
for
have that, so I will.
Thomas.
I can share that one. Whoever wants, I can share the. It's,
Okay. No, you can just share the credentials only maybe a couple of more people in case if you are not available and if required. Otherwise, that's also not needed. Yeah.
Yeah. So DS Peer Group. This I created last year, I think. DS Peer Group at gmail.com. If this is enough, we can use this one.
Okay. I'm fine as long as we have one group, Gmail. then we can keep everything over there. And then the drive link we can share with others so they can refer the documents or study material from there.
So meet this recording if uh, others are okay, they can do it third party, or I know you will do it with OBS you have, right? But others, how comfortable
Yeah,
are they with? Recently, I think we missed
there is a software, right?
software.
That software you told, right,
Yeah, yeah,
Manoj?
yeah. OBS.
That that looks okay. I mean, yeah, I think I uninstalled that time because the exam.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this one I think we can use because so far whatever recording we have done, right?
Yeah.
The results are good, no? Can use this. Okay. So then we have a Google account already. We know the some recording tool that the POC can use. Now the topic and what's the schedule? Do we have all the POCs who can talk about it? Like the topic, what is the tentative schedule he or she is planning to do? Because we would like to plan it out and share. So people who are interested in that topic, no, they can plan accordingly to join that session.
Yeah. So so this was the one thing, and this meet recording still third party. I don't know how many people can. Devi, what do you think about it? Because you are the
Third-party software I cannot use because I have my company laptop where we have restriction. We cannot install third-party software.
Okay.
Mhm.
And
Then in that case, have to someone who can do that, right?
maybe I have personal laptop, but yeah, it's I can use that, but its battery is not good. So if power goes off, that's the problem. Otherwise,
See, the thing is, we have to comfortable. No, that's the most important thing. If you have so many issues, no, then it will
it
be
is
a
not
problem.
seamless.
Yeah,
See,
right.
some
You
other
should feel
hurdle comes
comfortable
in.
with the doing things, right? Yeah. So yeah, if official laptop, then the
I
cloud
think
recording.
what I would say, let's get started some session, using Google Meet or something, and let's see how it goes. Because right now we are exploring possibility, but I think we'll get more clarity if we try using something.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. See, I'm starting this data bricks on 1st of November, the first session.
Yeah. What about this? So, and second thing is, how are we going to manage the timings and different topics and all? Like Yogesh was saying. Uh,
Yeah.
So my plan was like we will have it a Google Sheet where the tentative plan can be put, and once it's done, or then we can edit it, so it will be shared with those POCs.
Yeah, we have to have a common sheet
Mm-hmm.
for all the schedules together. Maybe, Manoj, we can create some template and let the POCs to update that.
Mm-hmm.
For example, in my case, what I did now in the Databricks group, I did a polling there and checked, one session, like a 2 hour session once in a week, or 1.5 hour, two sessions in a week. And the majority was okay with 2 hour session, 1.5 hours in a week, like for each session. So that's how we decided, like, Wednesday and Saturday. So similarly, the POC, I mean, can do that, and whatever the final schedule, he can update in the sheet.
Yeah.
So yeah, this week, yeah, we are starting this Wednesday, next week.
So Ravi, you have any this Wednesday? Okay, coming Wednesday. Okay. So Ravi, you have any idea about how to manage this timings and contents and all?
See, we have many topics.
Sorry.
Uh, where, Manoj? I mean, where do you want to maintain and manage that?
No, I'm just asking. You have any inputs on this?
Content. Timing wise, I think if we have Gmail ID, na, Manoj, we can create events and calendar over there. So everybody can download that events calendar and they can get even alerts on their Outlook. That's the one thing.
Yeah,
Uh,
people were asking
which
for
will
that.
be,
Yeah, right.
yeah, so you can create events in Gmail and people can download that calendar and they can get alerted whenever the events start. That's the one thing. And second thing I was looking for, if you have OneDrive link now, we can add session detail over there itself when what session is going to happen
Yeah, that's the
and who's
Google
going to take that session, right?
Google Sheet, right? Like that.
Google Sheet, yeah.
Yeah, Google Sheet. Yeah.
And this I
And
can share
and,
it in
and
the.
I think we have a Google Drive also, right, with Google account. So there we can structure the folder as like Yogesh was
Mm-hmm.
showing, right? We can structure the folders for different topics and we can keep the material over there.
Yeah, sheet will be outside schedule sheet,
Yeah,
and maybe you can give the access like a read write access to those who have a POC, so they can update the schedule and read access to everyone. So others will know exactly what is the schedule for each topic too.
yeah.
So,
And Manoj, so what's the plan? Connecting every day or alternate day or like what kind of plan do you think as of now?
I'm not sure because the POCs they need to inform the timings actually. Now Yogesh already informed the two timings. So I like
yeah,
everyone to come up with their comfortable time. So
the data bricks. You have this.
So what I was thinking, we can schedule a common meeting time, and then alternate day or maybe. But then it could be the situation where the presenter don't have time at that particular time, so we have to plan. What I was thinking, actually, so much confusion over here, so that we don't have to schedule meeting every day. So any common time can we choose? At that time we can connect and discuss.
No, I think people will not be available. I don't know. Probably,
Yeah.
what I would say, whatever topic, whoever the POC, he or she can take a lead, and then check with the audience what time suitable. Maybe they can give couple of options like that.
Yeah, a
Yeah.
poll. What's a poll? Then
Yeah,
we
we
can
can.
schedule a meeting and then we can go, right?
Yeah.
We can give 2 to 3 slot fixed. Maybe then people have a mentality. That slot will be available. Maybe 7:30 to 8:30 or 9:30 to 10:30 is probably the slot.
Yeah. For
I
now,
was
for this,
thinking.
Yeah,
yeah.
prefix slot.
Sorry, Yogesh.
Go on, go
I
on.
Yeah, I was thinking like that only, Sachin. Like every day we fix like 10:30 to sorry 8:30 to 10, like the 1 hour 30 minute slot every day. So we schedule a repetitive meeting. So in that meeting, when we don't have any topic that day, we can skip. And if someone want to discuss a topic, so that time everyone we join over there and we discuss. Like that, I was thinking.
Every day could be challenge, but weekly thrice or
Ah,
maybe
weekly
yeah,
alternate day, I think to make it interesting, and
yeah.
also whatever we discuss, people go and they practice. So if every day we do, then maybe this practice part we miss, and if we miss practice part, then the motive of this that lose somewhere. So it's good if this is my personal so
Think
further.
I'm thinking to instead of two sessions in a week, probably one session in a week would be better because now we have multiple topics, right? To be 2 hours in a week, I think Databricks, I think it would be enough, I guess. So others can get a slot to schedule their session.
I think two slots per week is okay. One is a EA and the another could be a follow-up where question answer can be answered.
Okay, yeah, that was actually my idea behind that one same thing.
Maybe
So
Monday
that
and Friday or Monday or Thursday.
yeah, for
One
now
will be
it's
the
like
main session,
plan is
another will be a follow-up or Q&A because one session maybe
Wednesday
there
and
could.
Saturday.
Because generally what happens is when we learn something, someone will teach here, then we will go and explore it. When we will explore, then we will have a number of queries. Though those queries in the next session we can discuss. So that it's a complete learning.
I think, guys, let's kick start with first session and then share
Yeah, yeah.
experiences and then plan.
Yes.
Let's follow dynamic programming model.
So
Okay,
whenever
then I
you,
think then we are as of now starting on 1st November then.
yeah, maybe Ravi can
Yeah.
start maybe tomorrow or
Yeah.
Tomorrow, no, Manoj, I have a lot of hectic schedule in office and I haven't prepared.
oh,
If anything, I can start by next week.
okay, yeah.
I'm still preparing some content on LLM, so yeah, I'll start something from next week.
Mm-hmm.
I think there was one more person who searched for LLM in the chat. I
Was
can
it
maybe
Aman or
collaborate with him. Was that
You say
Shankar?
Gen I.
Shankar, yeah,
Shankar is
Gen
also
AI
there.
and yeah,
Mm,
yeah, because in Gen AI, I think you have LLM is the main thing. Shankar is right? No. Okay, I'll
Large,
try to see.
large, large language models.
did anyone see the what SSR shared some topics? No.
Where?
If you go to otherwise I will share it to the teach group. Wait.
So I didn't see any message from him. I did see from Shankar. In teach group, you're saying, Manoj?
No, some other group he has put. Yeah,
Oh,
the teach
I
the beginners combined study group. It's mentioned. I put there. Then I will put it now here also.
I
Yeah,
think I have almost left all the
yeah.
groups except this teacher
I
and
put
this
it
one.
now. Yeah, let's teach. Yeah.
Okay.
you put it? Yeah, teach. Okay.
Deep learning, neural networks, enable AI, reinforcement learning, quantum data science, augmented AGI. It's too many high funda things.
Yeah. And also,
So
what do you
who?
think? I mean, like, people should have be able to join this session also. If there are more things, it will be difficult for others.
I'll start very basic because that's how I learn. So
Yeah, yeah.
we'll
So
start,
actually,
especially.
if anyone like to take that DP 900, there is one course Azure, right? The basics of cloud. Anyone like to take then, and then maybe 203 Yogesh will be taking. Then there is data science one course of Azure is also there. We can focus certification wise, then it will be a good one, right? 900 is a very simple. That's what people are saying. Anyone did the 900 course?
No.
Oh, AG 900?
Yeah, this Azure one 900.
Yeah. I
Yes.
completed 5 certifications.
Wow.
Yeah, I did 5. I mean, AZ 900, AI 900, and DP 900. Then data engineer. There were 2 exams earlier, but now there is only one.
Hmm.
So Yogesh, 900 for them is like very basic, the starting point, right?
Yes, that's the very basic. Yes, and it's super easy. I think light mode also, if you prepare, hardly 3 weeks you can get that certified.
And Azure exams are graded, they are mostly MCQs and theoretical, right?
Yeah, they have like a proctored exam. Yeah, you have to choose options from the given answers, like not the codeware, but normal like
I
question answers.
I have never given any exam apart from Red Hat. So in the Red Hat portfolio, I have done multiple certifications, but And,
Mm.
and and here, Manoj, one thing, this quantum data science means data science computing on quantum computing or something different, quantum data science. What exactly it is?
This is mentioned by SSR. I don't know actually. You know this SSR,
Quantum
no?
data.
What is his name?
Mm,
SSR.
yes, no name I don't know.
Hmm.
Just now I was chatting, in the group. He was responding something related to cloud and all.
Hmm.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah,
Because
if
this
you go
quant,
here also.
because the next thing definitely which I will go is quantum computing. So that's the reason I attracted with the word quantum.
Actually, I don't understand a single thing what's mentioned there.
See
There
here,
is a
if you want to leave also now, if you go to this site here now, for this there is a self-paced learning also.
Mm.
So it will this will also be enough actually. But yeah, I mean, if required, I can take a session or something. It's very basic actually. This will be useful. Yeah.
hmm. Yeah, Yogesh. Maybe we can plan one extra day for this if you have time. But,
Yeah, yeah, I think let's start with data bricks. Somewhere we have to start,
hmm.
and then maybe in couple of weeks, let the Diwali complete. Then after Diwali, we can plan this one. Maybe one
Yeah,
2 hour session or something.
Right.
yeah, that's good. And these certifications, for getting our career started in data science world will definitely help us.
Yeah,
I
if we
don't think
study
so. You need
properly.
certification. You don't need certification once you have done your bits MTech. That's more than enough.
No, but no,
Uh,
Ravi. Yeah,
uh,
Bits Pilani is yeah renowned in India actually. Okay, I was here. People ask, okay, who is Bits Pilani?
Ah,
uh,
and no,
so
no,
in the
no. And
global market, yeah, these are the Microsoft certifications or Red Hat. These will help.
So
But
your
yeah,
project manager, and when you go for interview there, you say like, yes, I'm the master degree holder, and also I have done this certification. So then you have a very good weightage. I think so.
yeah, it's there.
Because
Yeah,
because
it's there. Yes.
because yeah, the same thing I followed when I graduated. In like initially I didn't got job, but then I have done Reddit certification. So those Reddit certification always helped me. So that's what I think.
So we'll just make a note also for this Easy 900, right?
So there is DP 900 also different course. So many 900 are there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There are three actually. See,
Oh.
Easy 900, DP 900, and AI 900. I
Hmm.
mean, if you study very seriously in 1 month, I finished all these in 1 month only.
Wow.
You can finish everything in 1 month.
So I want to finish this three in 6 months actually.
Yeah, yeah, it's doable
even
actually.
even that I don't know.
So
It's
so,
possible.
so Manoj, after dissertation completion or meanwhile only?
Meanwhile.
Oh, then it's like 6 month. Yeah, okay, that's great. I'm thinking after
So
dissertation completion.
think chart or something. They show all the The good part of Azure is that they have many certifications.
And one more good part is that organizations also help us, so we don't have to pay from our pocket for Azure certifications mostly.
Yeah, yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
you are lucky then. Huh? Hmm.
You know what? There is another Python certificate. Python certificates also. I have done
Oh.
one, but I don't did here.
Oh really?
This
What
one.
is
Python
that?
certification.
PCEP.
Yeah, in the Python, these are the four certificates. See here, entry level, associate level, and then professional. There are two. I did one. I'm planning to do this one sometime this year. This is Python.
Python programmer.
Azure.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Azure is here. I mean, you want to see this chart. Current exam. You want to see the different exams and all. Chart is not here, I guess.
Just right click and open this in a new tab so that at least we can see.
Yeah, I'm just trying something like this. So let's see. But yeah, Azure certifications are not difficult. Like you can take one at a time like that. Okay, you can see now
Hmm.
better.
Yes, visible. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, AZ 900, then AZ 204. If you do this, you will become a Azure developer. If you have a AZ 900 and if you do AZ 104, then you will have a Azure administrator.
Administrator. Yes.
I mean, there are many certifications. See, I did this DP, I did this AI.
I think these two are the important ones for us, right?
The most important is AZ 900. If you have that, this will help a lot. I mean, if you're looking for a change like that, it will be easy.
Yogesh, sorry to interrupt. So, what is
Yeah.
AZ, DP? So, all these are for data engineering, or does it include data science also?
AG, AG, I think AG
Yeah,
stands for Azure. It's for cloud.
Azure.
Azure cloud. DP is something, I think, data, something like that, right?
This is related to
Yogesh.
data, database, and all data actually.
Data
Yes,
engineering.
data
So, all these are
platform,
for
I
data
think.
engineering only. So,
So
all these
data.
certifications for data engineering, correct?
No,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
AI is for the artificial intelligence, right?
AI, yeah, AI is for the artificial intelligence. So I told you right. I did this DP 900. After this, I did DP 202 and DP 203, and then I
Oh,
became
that's
data
great.
engineer.
So
So
it's
this
a
thing I did complete.
so you have
Yeah.
completed complete track of data engineer on Azure actually.
Ha ha. Yeah, yeah. Data engineer is done. Correct.
Yeah, yeah, that's really great.
That's good. And
So this is DP is for the data engineer.
then I think now this three certificate is not required. Only directly you can do 203, right?
Exactly. Now after DP 900, instead of this two, I think they clubbed this two to single, and in two exams you can get the data engineer now.
Even a DP 900 is not required. It's not an essential. You can study it, but not required. I think.
That I don't know, but yeah, it looks like optional. It says optional here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're able
It's
to
Uh,
not
see.
mandatory.
from from my experience, Manoj, in the Reddit portfolio also we have something like that. Like we can go directly some certifications, but what happens is that when we study them, the direct certification, study that, we pass that, then we go for the interview, then they ask something. If you are like already higher level certified, then there's something they ask you which you don't know, and that is specifically available in the basic course only. So that's the where you miss,
Yeah.
that's the part you miss.
Right.
That
Yeah, the
happens.
basics are very easy actually. I mean, as I said, probably what I would recommend no to start with AZ 900, then DP 900, and AI 900. These are very easy, and then decide which stream you want to go. If you're a data engineer, then take the another exam here and become a data engineer.
Definitely, that's really good,
Yeah.
Yogesh.
I would,
With that,
I would check that what are the things I referred and all. Maybe I will come with prepared preparation and we can discuss also.
that would be great, Yogesh.
So in 3 to 4 months, I did complete these four exams. So these three and this to five, Python one. So six certification I did. 2 years back. It was December, January, right? That time, November, December, January.
Great, great, Yogesh. Inspiring.
Yeah. Now I'm thinking to try for data engineer first.
So,
But
so
yeah, I
as
mean,
of
what
now,
I
Yogesh, you are
hmm?
not working as a data engineer as of now. I thought you are already.
Yeah, I'm already a data engineer only there.
Ah, okay.
So what I would say, no, I mean, plan for cloud for sure because everything is migrating from the on-prem to data cloud, right? So definitely this will help you now or near future.
Agree.
Databricks or Spark is also good because now we know Python. Right? Data science, Python is widely used in the data science. Like we have to deal with heat and all. So again, Spark is a good candidate. So Spark, Databricks, data engineer is also good.
Yes, in Spark, PySpark is used widely in big data everywhere. In our office, they are also using PySpark all the
Yes,
time. So
true,
very
true. Yeah.
PySpark. Is there any separate certification for Spark, or is it along with the Databricks? Or
I think it's data bricks only, I guess. I
only
have
no?
to
Yeah,
check.
okay.
I have to check the learning plan here. Somewhere I had it. So, okay, Lakehouse fundamentals. Then, yeah, these are certification learning path. We have to check, I guess. They have given it here somewhere. Data bricks.
And they are saying free training is also available for this.
Okay,
Yeah,
I think it's
but
not
exam
so
is not free.
free. Yeah, exam is not free. Well, I'm not able to find that. They have path actually. Videos.
Data. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, data analyst, data engineer, ML data scientist, like that.
Why it's mentioned ELT and ETL? Two things are mentioned. Is a spelling mistake or what?
So where?
If you go a little bit up, um,
Up.
yeah. Yeah, if you see in the above is mentioned ETL, down is mentioned ELT. Is it two different things? Or?
Two different things.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
what is it? ELT?
Extract. I mean, yeah, it's the same thing. The meaning is same. Now, first is ETL, right? Extract, transform, and load.
Hmm.
Second one is same thing. Extract, load, and transform.
But why is mentioned ETL up and ELT down?
So we have to check. I think ETL pipeline. See, generally we use this ETL, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But nowadays we also try to do extract and load first, because if you try to do transform before load, it will be time consuming. So rather, what we generally do in the big data world, we extract because the data is huge. We will first extract and load, and then transform as per the our downstream applications need. Yeah, that way.
Oh.
As per the requirement, transformation will be done later.
Okay. I thought
So this
maybe
is the
they-
target I'm planning now. Yeah.
Oh. So
I think if we group together and plan right, we'll go one step again ahead.
yeah, right. That's a good one. Yeah. So here we have
Yeah.
ML data scientist also.
Yeah, data scientists also.
Yogesh, unlike uh, Azure certification, this is one certification. So we don't have step-by-step approach here in Databricks.
Yeah, I think this has some plan I was looking for. So you are saying for the Azure data engineer, right? I mean, sorry, Databricks
Yeah.
data engineer, right? I think it's a step by step is there.
No,
That I
Azure
was
has
looking.
some 3 steps, no? Like as you said, some DP 900, some other 202, 203. So there are
Correct.
three steps. So do we have the same thing in Databricks, or is it one certification for data engineering?
I think it's just one certification, but I think there's this baseline also there. I'm not sure it is compulsory though. I didn't find this engineer professional. Orange, okay. Certification.
Databricks is hosted by Azure, no?
No, data. So Azure is also there. So it's also both. Like, Azure is there in AWS also. Databricks is there, or Google also it's there.
Okay, Databricks stand alone from Azure, like any cloud.
Correct. It's a separate entity, but it is already integrated with all the cloud provider. So currently in our application we use Azure Databricks.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So if you go to Azure, right? Let me see. So login. I don't know. I haven't logged in for a long time because I use companies, no? It's not needed mostly.
So,
Locally.
in your point, learning Databricks will help in all three clouds, either in AWS,
Ex-
GCP, or Azure.
exactly. Exactly. Yes. 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 I don't even remember the credentials. So yeah, I mean there is a service called Azure Database. Let me try. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, good. Indicator. Yes. Approve. So if you log into the portal, no, like Azure, you will have many services, right? Like AWS also. So one of the services called Azure Databricks. Let's check it
Oh,
out. So Azure Data Factory, this one's Azure Databricks here. So if I click here, so start product. So it's paid one, but yeah, we can start with initial 200. So if you know the Spark, right? Like PySpark or other Spark, like Scala, like it's the same thing, Spark programming, but you can use the Databricks. So let's say start. Let's see if it is free, right? Okay. Again, it's asking me to log in.
I think ask for card account details something.
Yeah, let's say start free. I already logged in, so probably as a free account it will start. So it will give me a Azure, on Azure Cloud Databricks platform. It will give an integration there.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, then I have to sign up everything, payment and all now. But yeah, once we have it here, like then we can use the Azure Databricks. Then we can create a notebook and everything there.
Okay.
Like the same interface, Databricks, no? Like Databricks community.
Sorry guys, I might need to drop off now.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks Ravi for initiating the discussion. Yeah, he was the one
Yeah.
initiated this time.
No
Yeah.
worries.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay.
So thanks, Ravi. So the plan is now we have a few things, right? So you guys decide which you want to go with, right? Like say first it's Azure certifications, right? Okay. Laptop. So then we have Databricks also. In Azure also there are different streams like a developer, DevOps engineer, data engineer, that way. And even Databricks also data engineer, ML, data scientist, those things. So we have to decide. So these things will come under this one, Azure certifications. We will talk about this, Manoj, in a separate session. I will also see what sessions or trainings are referred. I will also share my experience there.
Yeah, and you also mentioned the Python certification also, right? Some
Then
advanced.
again, Python certification. Yes. So my current plan is to do this too. So I'm already on this too actually.
Okay, whatever you are doing, we will continue to follow that. Then it will be good
Okay.
for you, right? For us also.
Yeah. Sure. I will guide. Maybe after Diwali we will have a session. I will guide you on this one, so you can start. This is very easy. In next 2 months, if you study regularly, right? In 2 months also you can get this 3.
Maybe
so very easy.
we will go with one AI 900. We will start, and let's see how it goes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
How much the certification
This will take
cost?
time.
How much
Certification cost. I remember Python first exam, no, like beginner. It is something 80 euros or something. it's something like a 5,000 around rupees actually. But for me,
For
no.
the Azure, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Azure actually, the thing is that I was with my organization was taking care like this one, but we can check very well here. Uh, Azure certification, no? AZ 900 certification. I think probably it's less for this 900, but data engine it's more, I guess. Let me check here. See, it's 99, 100 USD for AZ 900. Also check, your organization. Mostly organizations, they have a tie-up with this, so you don't have to pay anything.
Yes, mostly this, at least this AG900, we all get
Yeah.
free.
Yes, yes. Same thing for DP and AI also. But if you see the data engineer, Azure data engineer certification, I think it's 199 if I'm correct.
We can't go directly, no? As you said, we have to go step by step. 202, 203.
No, 202
Yeah.
is not
I
available.
think it's not mandatory to go step by step, but the title you get only if you pass the complete series. I think that's
Complete
the
series. Exactly,
yeah.
exactly. Yeah, that's
So
right.
so directly you can attempt the certification, but you won't get the title. You will only get the title of that particular certification.
Okay. So how much is 203? It's $200 dollars.
I think it's 200, I guess. Yeah. TP2.
Mostly not sure about Azure, but in the Red Hat,
165.
okay, 165.
Yeah, yeah.
So in the Red Hat certifications, this fee is fixed for any exam.
Oh.
But always check, no? Always check with your organization. Mostly the organizations have like a Microsoft, right? Tied up with them, so they will have a free things. You don't have to pay anything.
And also one more thing, you no need to actually check. You log in with your office email ID to this particular portal, and from there, you try to purchase that. So automatically, some coupon or when you go with that email ID, this amount becomes zero. This is what happens normally.
Exactly. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can always check within your organization. But as Rakesh said, when you just go to the schedule exam, if you go there and log in with your company ID, and then at the time of payment, it will show zero there. That's what happened to me as well. Oh, by default, so my child is there.
And there is that AIZ thing, no? It's completely for free for everyone if you attend some live classes from Microsoft. No need of even going to organization.
Which one? Sorry, say again.
The basic one, the 900 series.
900. Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah, you don't have to go. Like you just take it from either. See, if I remember, I referred some Udemy training material, and then I also referred here also.
No, there is the fees will be zero if you
So,
take
yes.
some live classes. They are conducting some live classes from time to time. If you subscribe to that, they will send the link.
Okay.
And then once you attend that live classes, I think 2-3 live classes you need to attend. Then you will be eligible for this free exam. AIZ 900.
Cool. Then you can share. I think many people will benefit from that.
Yeah, people are doing in our group also. Somebody told they got it free. Yeah.
Oh, good. Yeah. They also like say take the free practice assessment.
If you study by yourself and try to take the exam, it will be like showing something like $99. But if you take those free live sessions, then it will become zero. That's what he was saying.
I think you have to create an account, enroll to those sessions, and once you complete this sessions, and then when you try to schedule exam, probably you don't have to pay anything, right? It's a good option. Yeah. Yeah, but these are very easier, and I think November, December is a cool time, no? I think most of the companies, so this is a good time to study and get certification.
The Manoj mentioned live classes and the free certification is only for 900 the 900 series or for all series.
Only 900 series. That's the beginners, no? That's
Okay.
right.
Okay.
And 900 series is not mandatory exam to get the associate certificate.
Where is that? Microsoft, no? Someone has to share. I don't know where it is, but yeah. But yeah, I mean, these are easy. You can try. So these ones, this is something you need some more practice actually. This is the first beginner is easy. Then it comes next is associate, no? Then there we need some more practice. I think there is one more here, Lake House Fundamentals. So this is easy. Then here the associate. So these are beginners easy. This is also very easy. This is also very easy. Now, if you see the data engineer, right? Data engineer, Azure data engineer. Yeah, this needs definitely good study and practice. Same thing for associate data engineer, associate of Databricks, and then Python associate. But definitely, if you have all these, no, it will definitely help you somewhere.
Now, this studies will help a lot actually. Maybe
Yeah.
cracking the exam may not be that difficult, but the studies, that if we devote ourselves to proper studies, that
Yeah. Yeah.
really, because exams maybe we can crack it by using some dumps and all, right?
Mhm.
I think so, yeah. Even I got the Cisco certificate in that way, but no use actually. But if
Mm.
you study properly, then this certification is valuable. So
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. No, yeah, we are on track then. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll definitely recommend guys, like, choose something, plan out, say now November, December, and January, right? So next 3 months, definitely you can plan something. Okay, I want to complete this certification, that certification, like that,
Okay, so
and then it
Yogesh,
will be
yeah.
easy.
So your plan is
Mhm.
database certification. You'll be taking the sessions on this, no? Like house fundamentals associate or what?
Yeah, yeah, this one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
So,
have to study this before, but this one,
mm,
and mostly I want to put it like a practical way. Like I wanted to start Spark from basics, the architecture, and then some kind of a Spark programming to play with transformations, actions, that those. And then I'll check the certification topics also. Most of things will be covered by then, and then whatever remaining will take that. We'll get ready for the exam. If
okay.
we do the practice now, it will be easy then in the exam too, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
So I'm just trying this two now. Associate this and this. So yeah, this Wednesday we can start with first. We'll start with the architecture, and then we'll go slowly uh, in detail then data frame and some kind of a complex code and like that. And also there are some different topics also there, like the Spark configurations, right? You can give the Spark configurations at multiple places in the file, which is on the OS, underlying OS. Then when you submit a Spark job, there also you can specify the Spark configuration, like how many the executors and like that, or memory. Also, you can give a session when you create there also, and that will the session will override. So those things definitely very important part of the certification, and I really want to take that up. We can check here now also. I think I already downloaded the. Spark download. Yeah. I will share this also there. The topics, examine all. Lakehouse platform. Okay, I think that we have to study this Lakehouse also. Databricks Lakehouse platform. Then the data transformation with Apache Spark. So count and everything, right? Casting and everything. Yes, case. Yeah, we do use this in everything. Then read the JSON file, parse, YAML file, those things. UDFs, yes. Data management with Delta Lake. Okay, yeah. Most I think this looks like a theoretical, but yeah. Yeah, creating a table. Yeah, there are so many things actually. That's why I'm thinking it might take 2 months or so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but we can go slow because
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have to get everyone in the same page, no? Then at the end we can do some practice also. There are Udemy, there are some practice tests also, just to be sure. You see the duration, right? 45 multiple choice questions, 90 minutes. So it's 200 USD. Yeah, I think we can take this one. Yeah, this one is there. So Manoj, you want to create a spreadsheet in the Google account and then share? What do you think?
Yeah. So that's the only thing we can do, no? There was some other method, there was software, but I forgot what was that. Asta was talking about it last time. People are using now, but the free version has limitations. I think stick to this Excel sheet. But the point is, I don't want to go after people and ask, no, can you take the session? Like, uh,
No, it's
like,
okay.
yeah,
See, now the forum is open, and
mm-hmm.
we know the topics. Now that's why no, I already decided that okay, Databricks I will take up,
Mm-hmm.
and also I'm happy if someone can join also with me
Mm-hmm.
because I'm also learning. That way, we all can learn together. So
Yeah.
now other topics also, whoever is thinks okay, they can initiate. They can start actually.
Even Panimalar was saying something she will be taking up something, but I think she has not. Uh,
Yes, yeah.
yeah, yeah. You also decided, no, some topic, right?
Yes. Previously, I decided for like that course I was doing currently on my office, but we are already studied that concepts. But they are explaining with Python code that only they are doing. Whatever we studied in our bits, that they are explaining in that application manner, that Python code
Mm-hmm.
that only they are doing. So I want to join with Veena
Mm-hmm.
for some AI project explanation, like that kind of things.
You already talked with Vina, right?
No, Jane.
Oh.
Need to check with Veena.
Veena has already done some course from I don't know some institutes, and she wants to complete a few projects which she has missed there because that was not
Okay.
mandatory; it was optional. But she said for knowledge sake she want to do it. So if peer
Okay.
group is there, no, then it's good for her also, and she wants to take
Yeah,
the
we
session on
talked
that.
to
Yeah,
yes.
from
So
it is AI based actually. And maybe Ishwarji, you are also interested to take some sessions, right? I don't know which one you're CNN or what.
अभी तो I have not planned so far,
Ah,
but yes, we'll definitely take. Actually, my project is based on GIS and satellite imageries. So I'm using AI for classification in the satellite imageries.
Hmm.
So I'm struggling, or like I'm in fighting in my department to get hold of high resolution satellite images to work on it.
Hmm.
So maybe I can, if somebody is interested in GIS and other things, that is my forte and it has been my domain for 10 years. I can help.
Sure, Ravi, sure. Yeah,
Yeah,
we
that's a
can
good.
plan also. We can check with the forum who is interested. I think we can get started with this thing.
Hmm.
Maybe
Yeah,
we have to start at least, no?
exactly. Yeah.
After few
Hmm.
sessions, we'll know exactly how is it going, any improvement, anything, feedback. And accordingly, we will improve and again take more things.
Yeah, like what I've seen is like if there is at least one or two people who are consistently taking the sessions, then naturally others get motivated and they start also volunteering for taking sessions. So we need two, three people who are committed. Now we have Yogesh. I think Ravi is also very committed, and I will also try to take some basics of SQL or something which I will be learning now. So yeah, like three, four. Then Veena will also be taking, I guess. So we have four people, I think, already. Then anyone else who likes to take, then they can put it into the sheet, right? Excel sheet directly. They can put it there and
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Just create a sheet then, the
Mm-hmm.
topic, then who's taking the session and plan. For the data bricks, it's clear now. Wednesday and Saturday,
Mm-hmm.
8:30 to 10 p.m.
Right, yeah. Maybe we can create a form where people can enter the data when they want to take the session and the details of the session or something, and it will be automatically
If you
yeah, shown in the blog.
so you are asking, okay, so you're asking people to suggest the timing and all everything.
Yeah, because it's their comfort, no. Like if somebody is
Correct,
coming
correct.
at 9 o'clock, then I cannot
So, but
ask
if
them.
yeah, if you give two options, I think it's better. I mean, if you just give open no,
Mm-hmm.
people will go with their other option. It may not be. It will difficult to settle down on one schedule. Like Databricks, no, I gave two options. No, that way it was easy actually. But if you don't tell them, probably everyone will come up with some schedule which might not overlap with others too. That way. Just an opinion.
Yeah.
But I think Python you can start also because for this no we need Python also.
Mm-hmm.
PySpark no,
PySpark. Oh, okay.
and also because Python is the prerequisite there. So
Mm.
probably you can also start Python. So that way Python and PySpark can go hand in
Who is
hand.
starting Python?
I am
Manoj
planning.
and Ayush, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, Manoj, then I'll join your team. Like Python, I have also joined Udemy for the Python,
Mm-hmm.
did some basics from there
Okay.
before joining this course, then left it. But
Okay.
again, I am starting it for my project also, it's required. So I'll join there.
Fine, then we will start from tomorrow
Okay.
then, Python. But the point is,
Yeah.
the only issue is that next week onwards, I am having a sessions at 8 to 10:30, some other training. So I want to be available in this time. So are you available like 7 o'clock or like at 10:30?
Post
Then
10:30, I am available. 7:30 will be slightly this thing because we don't know when my office something comes up with the adversary and things flare up. So we are there on toes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So like I
then
need to.
probably
Mm,
Manoj, you can take on weekend and
mm.
maybe Ishwar can take some weekday also based on
Yeah,
your
if I no,
availability.
I mean if he's available, then 10:30 is also okay for me. I don't know. He's
For
comfortable.
10:30 night,
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know others will be available.
No, there will be three,
That will
four
be good
people at
option.
least. Usually, even if it's late, I think.
Even the to midnight like that
Yeah, yeah,
or
yeah.
11:30.
Even we did some sessions like 12 o'clock also.
Oh, good. Yeah, I mean currently I'm taking Python session here. Some of my friends are there,
Oh,
so I'm teaching them also Python.
what time?
Oh, here local on Friday sometime I'm teaching them.
Mm.
Since you're already taking, so I didn't want to interrupt you. If you need anything, also let me know. I will also join you that there in Python too.
No,
But you can be primary, but if you need something, yeah, I will be at the backup also.
yeah.
I didn't want to interrupt, so I didn't tell earlier. So
But at 10:30, will you be joining? Maybe every day we can meet for 30 minutes for Python.
sorry, Manoj, say again.
I mean, 10:30. Are you available? 10:30.
Yeah, your 10:30 is my 6 o'clock, so I will be very much available.
Yeah, for 10:30 means for me it's 9, so I am also available. I don't know, Ishwar.
I'm available for the complete night.
Wow.
No worries for me.
Okay, that's good. So 10:30 to
Yeah, I don't know.
11:15,
Yeah. So probably you can post in the group, maybe give couple of schedules. So like, 10:30 to 11:30, and maybe 1 hour, and maybe 2 days in a week, something like that. Just
I think,
suggesting, something like that.
45 minutes may be good. I maybe 10:45, because 10:30 my training is finishing at 10:30. Then maybe, I don't know, they will extend for 10-15 minutes. So I don't want to keep people waiting. Maybe like 10:45 we will start, and 11:30. 45 minutes will be more than sufficient to cover all the basics. Maybe in 1 month or.
Yeah, 45 minutes, 2 sessions in a week, something like that. Also, you can plan. Or maybe if you're taking on weekend, probably you can do 1 hour 15 minutes on weekend, and weekday it's 45 minutes.
Weekend can be a revision. Yeah.
Yeah, I will also change a little bit. Like on a weekday, I will just restrict to 1 hour, and on weekend, probably I will just keep like 1.5 hour.
Even that time I won't be able to join. That's a problem. Next 6 months I am engaged. So I am completely relying on the recording. So that's why I was thinking of the cloud recording that Ravi was suggesting. No? So that means you just need to click the button and then done. When I come, then I can see the recording there. I can put it into YouTube or whatever. Even people can directly go to the Google Drive also. It will be kept up, and then that's a good one.
No, actually no. For me, I kept like 8:30 to 10 because I didn't know people will be comfortable.
It's comfortable time
10
for the
like
people.
that.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
So probably this week I will start the first session. I'll check with the people if they're interested. Okay, maybe instead of, because no problem, no, for me. This Sunday I will be again one more behind because of the daylight saving. Yeah, that's the factor there. Yeah, probably instead of 8:30 to 10, probably I will say 9:30 to 10:30, something like this, 1 hour, or maybe 10 to 11 or something like that. We'll check with the folks. So if everyone is agree, all of that, then we can go with that. I just don't want to dump everything. Like it should be everyone is comfortable. We'll go slow. Probably 2 months timeline I'm thinking of, so that January we can take up the certification.
So that's a good idea. We have a target, and maybe we can have the dumps by that January. Then we can practice with the dumps also.
Yeah. But I wanted to complete this in like December, January time, because it's a cooling time, no? So, and here also it's quite cold. I cannot go outside. It's like a jail now. I have to stay back home.
To
utilize the time.
What is the temperature now there, Yogesh?
Temperature is not that much, but it feels very cold. It might be below 10.
Acha. I am also at -6 now.
Whoa.
Oh. I think you are too much there actually. I'm not that much here. Yeah, I was in Chicago, no? Chicago, New York. Yeah, it was horrible there. It was when I was in Chicago, it was -30. It was difficult. Every day.
Next month we'll also have something like -20 and all.
Correct.
You are in Ladakh, right? Ladakh.
Ladakh.
I want to come here actually. My friends visited this time.
When?
I was in India.
Come.
Yes, I will. Yes, sure, sure. Probably next year only now because I came there in July. Again, I
Uh,
had some back issues, so I couldn't go outside. Otherwise, I was thinking to go somewhere.
uh-huh.
But yeah, Ladakh is the hot list actually.
Yeah. Come here. Like I'm here for 2 years.
Okay.
Most likely, if I'm trying to shift to corporate, if I get at least I'm here for a year more.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. If I come there, I will try. I will plan to
Yeah,
visit
yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah. So we are good then. So let's get started then as soon as possible. So Manoj, you can also share the Python schedule so people will know, and
Yeah, yeah,
accordingly we
right.
can get started also.
Yeah, can you
If
create
you just
this?
need, if you need anything,
Mm,
yeah, yeah.
Regarding the schedules, do we think the form is required or the Excel sheet? Can you create a sheet, or should I share the sheet? Then you can add it. Okay, I will share the credentials of that group. I mean that email ID. There you can create, right?
Yeah. Anything. I mean,
Mm.
you can. You don't need to sheet also. I can create a sheet. Then you can add that sheet in the Google Drive there also.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine.
Then
Fine.
thanks everyone. I think then we are good. Take
Yeah.
some rest before we
Yeah,
start the next ride.
Yeah.
sure.
Thanks.
Thank you all.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Yogesh,
you.
Ishwar,
Bye.
Vishwas,
See you.
Satish.
Bye.
Nice time. Yeah. Thanks.